In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize a Convertkit landing page in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to create an engaging and visually appealing landing page without the hassle, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Convertkit website. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're on the right page. Once you're there, if you haven't already, go ahead and log into your Convertkit account. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Registering is quick and straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to create your account and you'll be set in no time. Once you're logged in, head over to the Landing Pages and Forms section. You'll find this easily located in the dashboard, and it's here where you have the freedom to design and customize your landing pages. The next step is to create a new landing page. You'll do this by clicking on the plus Create New button and selecting Landing Page from the options provided. This will direct you to the template selection screen. Now, you'll find yourself surrounded by various template options. There are plenty to choose from, so take your time to browse through the available designs. To make your searching even easier, you can filter these templates by category. Doing this will help you quickly locate a template that aligns with your needs and vision. If a particular template catches your eye, you can get a closer look by hovering over its thumbnail and clicking Preview. It's always a good idea to preview the templates before making a decision. This will allow you to see how the template looks in a larger format and ensure it matches your expectations. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize the content to make it your own. Start by clicking on any images you'd like to replace. You can upload a new image directly from your computer or select something from Unsplash or Instagram to give your landing page that extra flair. The Builder panel or Layer Manager is your go-to tool for editing other elements on the page. Whether it's changing text, adjusting colors, or reordering sections, you'll have all the controls you need right at your fingertips. Don't forget about customizing the style to ensure it matches your brand, configuring conversion elements, and adding any custom fields that might be necessary. Lastly, manage your landing page link to ensure it's neat and branded. Finally, once you're satisfied with the look and functionality of your landing page, you're ready to share it with the world. Click the Publish button located in the top right corner, and just like that, your landing page will go live. Congratulations on creating your custom Convertkit landing page. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tutorials